Welcome back, folks. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set your nickname in Messenger chat on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Now, select the desired chat from your list. Step 4. Find the specific message you want to set a nickname for and click on the 3 dots next to it. Step 5. A menu will appear. Click on the friend's name to open chat settings. Step 6. Within the chat settings, locate and click on Nickname. Step 7. Next, click on your own name as you're setting the nickname for yourself. Step 8. Enter your desired nickname in the provided field. Step 9. Finally, click on the checkmark button to save your new nickname. With these simple steps, you can easily personalize your Messenger chats on Facebook. Now, you can add a touch of uniqueness and fun to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.